Hey everyone, a new twist tonight in the state budget debate. A Wisconsin judge has temporarily blocked the state's new collective bargaining law. So the members of the legislature may have to vote again to pass this bill. Tonight, Fox 11's Laura Smith has our balanced coverage on the ruling.
The temporary restraining order now blocks the controversial collective bargaining law from taking effect. A Dane County judge granted it in response to a lawsuit filed by the Democratic District Attorney. The suit alleges Republican lawmakers violated the state's open meetings law by hastily convening a special committee before the Senate passed the bill. Assembly Minority Leader Peter Barca of Kenosha, who was on the committee and objected to the vote,
"This is clearly a violation of open meetings law,"
says the ruling is a move in the right direction.
We're very pleased with the decision. We felt very strongly, as you know, from the very moment that this came forward, that it was a violation of the open meetings law.
Democrats are hopeful the judge's ruling will lead to concessions.
Our hope is that there are some Republicans out there that'll say, "I've had enough of this, I don't agree with you, the governor," and move on.
Governor Scott Walker says the legal ramifications of the ruling will have to be looked at, but he's certain the law itself will remain intact.
One way or another, the law will become effective. The question is just the process. So the legislature will have to work out what the next steps are there in terms of what the alternatives are given by the judge, or if there's an appeal through any appeals court. But the bottom line is I'm confident the law will be upheld.
The judge said her ruling would not prevent the legislature from reconvening the committee with proper notice and passing the bill again. But Republican legislative leaders say they will continue the court battle rather than consider doing that. Senate Majority Leader Scott Fitzgerald and his brother Assembly Speaker Jeff Fitzgerald said in a joint statement, quote, "We fully expect an appeals court will find that the legislature followed the law perfectly and likely find that today's ruling was a significant overreach. We highly doubt a Dane County judge has the authority to tell the legislature how to carry out its constitutional duty." Meanwhile, the president of a union representing 7,000 teachers and support professionals in Northeast Wisconsin called the ruling a small victory.
This gives us time to breathe and time for us to work with the school districts to work on contracts and get some stability in the schools, which is what the communities want.
The bill was part of Walker's solution for plugging a $137 million state budget shortfall. A part of the measure would require state workers to increase their health insurance and pension contributions to save the state $30 million by July 1st. Laura Smith, Fox 11 News.